Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your MLB in order for you to access your MLB TV account. So first of all, you're going to have to launch a browser and simply type in mlb.com. Now as I do that, you will get to its official website. What you have to do here is select your MLB TV. As I do that, you will get landed onto this site where if you don't have an account, you may go ahead, purchase and create yourself an account. If you already have an account, select login. You will see it on your top right hand side. And at the login page, you will be required to enter your email address and your password. If your credentials are correct, you will be able to get logged into your MLB TV account and you can access your account from there. And in case you have forgotten your password, you will also see the option of forgot your password at the below section after you select this login. In my case, it will not show up because of my region, but in your case, it might be different. So go ahead, try it, and this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.